Good afternoon, everyone. In this session, I'll introduce VEX competition. I will discuss VEX Robotics World Championship, competition history, platforms and competing ways. And I will also talk about resources, how to start a team, and LRT system. VEX Robotics World Championship has been recognized as the world's largest robotics competition by Guinness World Records in 2016 and 2018. In May of 2021, we received the third Guinness record, the largest online robotics championship, with over 1,400 teams participate. The VEX Robotics World Championship is organized by the REC Foundation, which is a non-profit organization. The REC Foundation manages all of the VEX competitions in the world and looks for the local event partners who will host VEX events for the local teams. REC Foundation also contacts possible sponsors supporting our events. VEX competition attracted many organizations. Northrop Grumman Foundation is the presenting sponsor of VEX World. We also have NASA, Google, Dell, Tesla as global sponsors. We also have Alibaba, Tencent sponsored our events in Asia. VEX Robotics competition started in 2007. VEX IQ Challenge started in 2012. Here I listed the competition history. If you are interested in the previous games, you can find it on REC website. VEX competition provides a variety of competition platforms from preschool students to university students. So far, VEX Go Challenge is a classroom-based challenge that provides young students with opportunities to showcase their learning through participation in online challenges. Teachers register their classroom teams at robotevents.com to unlock the season challenges. And VEX Go team member registration is free. There are different ways to compete in VEX competition. The traditional VEX competition events are in-person events in a school or other public venues, with tournament, robot skills challenge, and judging. Starting from 2020 to 2021 season, REC launched the new event formats, LRT and LRS, which allow teams to compete remotely through robotevents.com. The online challenges give more students opportunities to stay engaged in virtual learning. Online challenges could include website design, CAD design, photography, community involvement, video production, programming, and much more. Every season, the online challenges provide opportunities of VEX World qualification spots. In this new season, we launched VR skills. Let's see a video.
Are you ready to begin planning, strategizing, and coding your robot for the new competition season? Simply register a team and get started with VEX Virtual Skills Coding for the 2021-2022 VEX Robotics Competition and VEX IQ Challenge Games. Experience the fun and excitement of skills challenges while learning computer science with VEX Code VR. You can take advantage of knowledge base articles, lessons, and teacher resources today at vrskills.vex.com.
VIQC and VRC VR skills allow all teams to experience the fun and excitement of competing while learning computer science. Before start VR skills, teams must complete this season's team number registration. We will share a detailed introduction video after the game discussion. If you are interested, please stay with us. There are useful resources that you may want to know in order to compete. The first one is the official REC Foundation website. You can download the game rules and other useful documents. The next one, robotevents.com, is running by REC Foundation. On this website, teams register or renew their team members, and event partner post their events and publish event results. The next two are the official Q&A systems, which allow all registered teams to ask for the official rules interpretation. All responses answered by the GDC should be considered as official rulings. Teams and event partners can also look for help from VEX community through vexforum.com. We also have these apps and softwares for you. VIQC Hub and VRC Hub are the ideal competition companion for teams and event partners. You can read the game menu, keep score at home, and use the timer to run your own practice matches with official sound. VEXVIA allows you to follow the progress and results of competitions. Teams can find the team lists, match schedules, match results, ranking, and skills ranking results, which can be sorted by event or by team. REC Foundation app shows VEX Worlds documents. Tournament Manager and TM Mobile are the official competition management software used by event partners and referees during VEX competitions. Referees use VEX TM Mobile to submit match and scores from template. Starting from last season, the REC Foundation and VEX launched a free online training for event partners and volunteer roles. These certifications include interactive and engaging learning resources to ensure you are prepared. After earning your certifications, you can be confident in your ability to host or perform your assigned volunteer roles at VEX events. Please go to the link here. Roll down, you will find the REC Foundation Certification Program button. Currently, we provide 4 courses: Drive Team, Head Referee, Event Partner, and Judge. For every course, the contents are divided into some units, and each unit has a practice exam before you go to the final exam. After you pass the exam, you will receive a REC-recognized certification with your name on it. After the resources and supports, let's talk about how to start. The first thing that I would like to share is season. VEX Robotics competition season normally starts from May and ends in April of next year. Every season, we launched the new games to keep students interested. Now we are in 2021 to 2022 season. And the current games are VEX IQ Challenge Pitching In, VEX Robotics Competition Tipping Point. This is a season timeline. June of this year, we start our new season. And also, we hosted our Asia New Season Kickoff webinar. From August to September, schools should order their new game elements, register or renew team members, start to build, program, and start to record the engineer notebook. From October to December, teams should test their robots and attend some local events. From December 2021 to the first weekend of March 2022, teams should attend national events, signature events, Asian events, and also online challenges in order to be qualified to the VEX Worlds. When teams qualified to VEX Worlds from March to April 2022, they should register their VEX Robotics Worlds events and plan their travel. In May of 2022, we will have our VEX World Championship. And also, the new season games will be announced in the closing ceremony. Then, let's start to form a team. There's no maximum to the numbers of students who can participate on the robotics competition team. Your team is more productive if everyone is assigned a role. Consider rotating roles so that the team members can benefit from the full program experience. Assign or have the students choose the roles that best fit their interests, skills, and needs. Robotics team role suggestions are team captain, drivers. You can have 3 for VRC and 2 for VIQC. Designer, builder, programmer, engineer, notebook manager. And the rest roles are public relations, advertising, fundraiser, photographer. Developing your team identity can be a valuable, fun part of the team building progress. Your team members should use their creativity to establish their own unique identity. Developing a team identity can include choose a team slogan, name, creating displays for your pit, or designing a team shirt. When your teams are ready, let's do registration. Every season, teams need to log in robotevents.com and complete their team number registration and event registration before they can compete. Let me go over these 2 registrations now. If a school is new to VEX, then this school is a new organization and will need to register a new team number. A team number includes a base number, which represents the school, and a letter, which represents a team at the school. The first team costs $150 and $100 for 1 additional team. For the returning schools, they will renew their team number registered in previous seasons. Please do not register a new number. The first step on the website is logging your account. If you don't have an account, please create and then log in. After login, select Register a Team in My Account to create your first team. Or if you are a returning organization, then select Renew next to a specific team. The system will guide you to fill out the team information. After that, the team registration will be placed into My Cart. Click Begin Checkout to complete the team registration. Please note, in Asia, credit card payment is recommended. Purchase order is not available yet. After payment is made, registration completed. When you register an event, please go to Robot Competitions, select Program, and then fill out the events you are looking for. Click the event link on the right side. Then you will see some event information. When the event is open, simply choose your team number to register the event. Please note, the event registration fee is set up by an event partner. For events in Asia, teams should send the event payment directly to the event partner. Please do not process through REC website. But if you are registering VEX Worlds, please send the event payment directly to REC through this website. The payment way is just like what you did for the team registration payment. Before the date of departure, don't forget to pack materials needed for the event. Most competition days start early and it's easy to miss something when it's in rush. Here I listed some items for your reference. Safety glasses. This is for VRC and VEX IQ. Spare parts and tools. Batteries and chargers. Programming cable. Laptop computer. engineer notebook. And don't forget some banners or other decoration for your pitch, or some giveaways if you have. After team completes the robot building and programming, and has practiced with the robot, it's time to get ready for competition. When the team arrives at a tournament, they must check in. Each event has a designed check-in area where the coaches let the event partner know they arrived. The coach receives event materials or information, including badges, schedule, and pit map. Teams must go through a robot inspection to ensure their robot is in compliance with regulations related to size, parts, and field control guidelines. The driver meeting is typically run by the head referee or the event partner. All participants, including students, coaches, and other adults associated with the team, are expected to attend. In this meeting, they will talk about safety, rules, and behavior. Event-specific information, like where to line up and any adjustment to the schedule, are also provided. As part of many events, judges review all submitted engineer notebooks, observe team performance, and conduct team interviews. The qualifying match schedule is available once all teams are checked in. The schedule shows the randomly assigned alliances and the qualification match pairing of teams. During most events, teams have the opportunity to participate in robot skills matches. The robot skills matches are usually held on a separate field. For VRC events, after the qualifying matches, the top scoring teams choose their alliance partners for the elimination matches. Then, the top teams will go to the finals and determine champions. At the closing ceremony, event partner will issue the awards and celebrate the team's performance. At last, let's talk about LRT, Live Remote Tournament. LRT gameplay is a new format developed by the REC Foundation for the 2020 to 2021 competition season. LRT gameplay allows teams to compete remotely in live interactive competition using a web-based portal through robotevents.com. In order to participate in an LRT event, teams need to prepare a full competition field and game elements, internet access, webcam, a computer, and additional monitor or TV screen for review alliance partners and component fields, as well as the event chat from the driver station. Teams will log in roboteevents.com and then choose the correct team. The system will automatically guide them to set up their webcam, connect their controller, select the program, and complete the field setup. Then the team will join the event. Before the teams compete, event partner will inspect their robots and also inspect their field camera setup. This progress may take longer than in-person events. This is what the LRT looks like. All LRT volunteers, like tournament operators, announcers, head referees, scorekeeper referees, will join the LRT remotely and talk to the teams through this system. Teams will compete like the normal in-person event, following LRT match schedule. Teams can talk to each other by using microphone or match chat. The other teams who are not in the match can watch the current match schedule in the event lobby in this system. Once the match is completed, The scorekeeper referees will record the scored objects in each field. Once the score is settled, teams will have the opportunity to confirm score. For VRC, once the last qualification match is completed, the tournament operator will start alliance selection. All teams in a position to be alliance captains will receive prompts in turn, asking them to select an alliance partner. Teams will receive invitations to whether accept or decline on their own computers and are responsible for answering those invitations promptly. Once all the elimination matches are completed and scores are finalized, the event will end. When the tournament operators end the event, the teams will be sent back to the robotevents.com information page. Then the LRT is completed. Okay, then this is all parts of VEX competition instruction. Thank you.